Hello traders. Today we are looking at the Fourier Extrapolator Indicator for MT4 and MT5. In this video we'll cover how this forecasting style indicator appears on the chart, what its projected line implies, and which key settings shape its behavior. I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Now the Fourier Extrapolator plots directly on the main price chart as a line that extends both over historical candle and into the empty space to the right of the current price. The active portion of the line follows past price swings, while the extrapolated segment continues into the future area of the chart, typically in a distinct color, for our case orange, so you can visually separate the projection from realized data. This projected section reflects the indicator's attempt to model underlying cyclical behavior using Fourier transforms, implying a possible path of future price movement based on recent wave patterns. When the extrapolated line curves upward, it visually suggests a continuation or emergence of bullish cycles, whereas a downward sloping projection implies a continuation of bearish or corrective cycles. Because it is built on cycle analysis, the plotted path emphasizes rhythm and repetition in price rather than fixed support or resistance levels. Now let's move over to the settings. We have the shift that defines how far to the right of the chart the extrapolated lines begins, effectively controlling where the forecast portion is drawn, and we have the T, which is the norm window length, that sets how many bars are used in each calculation window, influencing how much price history is included when the indicator analyzes its Fourier spectrum. We also have the show profit and alert, and we have the color settings. Now, who is it for and what are its limitations? The Fourier Extrapolator Indicator is intended for traders who are interested in cycle-based or quantitative style analysis and want a visual projection of possible future price paths at MT4 or MT5. It may appeal particularly to short-term traders using lower time frames like M1 or M5, where monitoring repeating wave-like movements is practical. The indicator is a visual analytical tool only and does not execute or manage trades. Its extrapolated path is hypothetical, and the method can be sensitive to changing market conditions, so projections may diverge from actual price, especially in volatile or news-driven environments. You can find the download link for the Fourier Extrapolator Indicator for MT4 and MT5 in the description below. You can also read the full details and grab the file for the indicator directly on the Forex Geek website. If you find this kind of cycle-based analysis useful, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more trading tools and educational walkthroughs.